Ingredients: honey, 1 tablespoon. Ginger, 1 small piece grated. Cinnamon, a pinch. Lukewarm water, 1 cup. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Instructions: extract the juice from the ginger and add it to a cup of lukewarm water. Mix in the cinnamon, lemon juice, and honey. Stir well until all the ingredients are well combined. Usage: give this homemade remedy to children once or twice a day in lukewarm condition. It helps relieve cold and cough. Honey is a natural antibacterial and antioxidant, while ginger and cinnamon boost immunity against infections. Caution: do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a doctor.